In a world of infinite possibilities, open up to your own story at Mitsis Hotels. Sense our genuine Greek essence and unparalleled family touch, where everything begins. Seek new stories of fulfillment and immerse yourself in a premium quality holiday experience. Swim in infinity pools and unwind in superior quality open air spaces. Feel the gentle morning breeze bathing your skin and find your inner peace within you.
Explore a whole new chapter of life-enriching experiences. Dive into crystal-clear waters. Levitate your bodies soar where love and warmth fill the air. Sail through the endless blue and discover the richness of your own journey. Ride your horse by the sun-drenched coasts. Revive your body and spirit in a tranquil and ethereal environment.
Feel what you want to feel and create delightful memories that will endure. Celebrate life to the fullest. Let us bring close to you what you treasure most. Make your dream holiday come to life. Create your own story.